What's up, everybody? We got Banana strapped up here with some tires. We're going to try to switch those out real fast and try to do it, and also do an oil change. It's weird switching from the sports to this for like the first 30 seconds. Hopefully I don't lose my tires. They seem pretty good. So yeah, Tyler's mentioned that I wanted to bring the tires over, the wheels and the tires over, to have them switch over, because he has an air compressor, and he's like, just bring the whole bike. So I was like, sweet. So just got off work a little bit ago, and howdy, we're gonna I'm gonna take him up on that offer, and hopefully it's pretty painless for mainly him. But yeah, I want to get this done before Saturday, because I let my stepdad ride this bike, and he's been out in California for like a month. I'm sure he's gonna be itching to hop back on her and put some miles on her. So funny enough, though, I went to push this out and get her started up, and the back tire was completely flat. I'm like, man, this thing is really hard to move. But yeah, so hooked up the bike pump and pumped her up about 40 times, and got her at least get enough to get over here. So I only got like a mile ride or so over to Tyler's. This is my first motorcycle that I ever purchased. I only paid about $700 for it. The initial cost. I mean, I had to put other work into it and whatnot, but it's been a pretty good bike, especially for the $700 motorcycle. Call it a Banana Montana. The 1994, I do believe, Yamaha Seca II, which is also known as a XJ600, also known as a Diversion. Oh, am I losing my tires? I don't know, I can't tell. I think they're okay. Alright. I cannot see behind me at all, and it freaks me out. Alright, turn in here. I feel like I'm losing my tires. I am losing my tires. I'm gonna have to quick shift, I think. There we go. I can't use the clutch right now. The tires are falling off. Proper way to change a tire. Uh-oh, there's a golf cart. I'll just turn around now. Looks good. Look at that. I shit my pants on those. Listen to that thing. going down though. I think it might just be the air in it. It's freaky.
Do you put oil in this first?
I always do.
You and your weird ways.
Color.
You get all messy.
I did pretty good. You want a funnel?
No.
I would make a mess doing that, for sure.
There's still time for me to make a mess. I've been saving all these oil containers and cutting them into little containers to put other things in. That day you tried doing tires out here. You're like, how the fuck do you hold that thing? And
Yeah.
I learned a new trick. You pull it like that.
Wow. Good job.
Hooray!
I'll let you have the honor since you did all the work.
Is it gonna go pop, 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 pop?
I don't know. Am I recording? Yep.
That should be your outro. Am I recording?
That's pretty much how it always goes. Alright everybody, that's going to do it for this one. Like always, make sure you subscribe if you haven't. If you enjoy this kind of stuff, like the video and leave a comment down below, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.